If he wide up, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg.
I just want to see the swagger and confidence. We still run this field now. Don't get that twisted. We run this field. This is our field. That ball coming there is out. Yeah. Get up field. Yep. Marlon Roy, the young pup. Young pup. Marlon Roy.
He said go. He's coming up like this.
I watched it.
Like that.
Yep. Natural shake.
Shake it.
First indicator he's sitting, I'm shaking.
I was blocking.
Yeah.
I was wrong.
Just answer the question and move on. We'll talk about it.
Lean. Good. You're up, JoJo. Put the ball away. Good job, JoJo.
Oh, my fingertips are like frozen, bro. I'd rather be hot than
I'd
cold.
rather be cold 10 times out of 10.
No, sir, boy.
Fam,
no.
you can't be hot and take off enough clothes to feel cool.
Should be out. Go. Go.
Fam, the sun that came out and you feel way better.
I'm trying to, it hurts.
It hurts. My fingers was feeling like that earlier.
Hurt.
We're going team versus D, 7-on team.
Am I going with young guys today?
You are a young guy, buddy.
You're all we got.
You're all we got.
Oh, young guy. Buddy.
You are a young guy.
Press the pocket, Joe. Press the pocket, Joe.
When it's hot, you can jump in the pool. But when it's cold, you can't jump in the fire.
You can get in the hot tub, though.
You can get in the hot tub.
Okay,
Everybody ain't got no hot. It's
more
more
pools
pools than hot
Come
tubs.
on,
Wait, hold on, wait a minute.
We got one right in the
Why?
facility.
I'm switching over to your point of view. I feel like y'all a little bit off that line of scrimmage, though, bro. Y'all gotta peep that, bro. Y'all gotta watch that, bro.
Y'all do not hug the line in a game, fool.
But fam, y'all gonna be on the line, fam.
Not even fam, if the ball line, they're gonna make it be like right
Yeah,
here.
JD.
That's a win.
Chilling, getting a little redemption. Am I right? I see you out there. My man came out, moved the chains. Be like that sometime. Just how you respond, man. Just get tested, boy. Football demons, man. All it takes is one play. Adversity. Can you handle adverse situations? And the whole thing will change, baby. Just keep your head up. Let's finish strong. Let's finish strong, have fun. Here we go. Fam on two. 1, 2. Yes, sir.
Pride. 1, 2, 3. Pride.